Hello, my good friends! States are now proposing big tax rebate checks as the nation continues to face rising inflation. It has also been confirmed that millions of Americans will qualify for one of these extra stimulus relief payments. Our lawmakers are now debating on how much this fourth stimulus check should be. Please, friends, watch until the end of this video to learn about all of the details. I will also be announcing the 3 winners of this week's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway at the end of this video.
Did he explain why his administration was slow to provide lethal assistance in the first place? Instead, the president focused on trying to claim credit for the remarkable European and worldwide response that his administration did not foresee, let alone orchestrate. Apart from Ukraine, the president's other remarks on our dangerous world were not just insufficient, they were basically non-existent. The president spoke for over an hour, but only mentioned China twice. Neither time had anything to do with national security or military modernization. The president only mentioned Iran one time, and it was literally by accident. 0 mentions of North Korea, 0 mentions of the botched Afghanistan retreat the administration originally boasted was a, quote, success, end quote. Our 13 service members who lost their lives are completely unmentioned until Governor Reynolds took the microphone. And 0 mentions of rebuilding the defense budget that President Biden actually...
California Governor Gavin Newsom is proposing a tax rebate to ease some of the pain at the gas pump in his state, which has the highest gas prices in our nation. The Democratic governor's announcement in his recent State of the State address comes as millions of Americans brace for further price hikes. Newsom said he is planning to submit a revised budget to the state legislature that would bring back money in Californians' pocket. Newsom said he is planning to submit a revised budget to the state legislature that would put money back in California's pockets to address rising gas prices, but he did not immediately offer any details of how much a rebate would be or when it would hit the bank accounts of Californians. Nationwide, the average price for a regular gallon of gas reached $4.17 on Monday, breaking the previous record set in 2008. But in California, the average price is now $5.45 per gallon. The Democratic-controlled state legislature will have to approve Governor Gavin Newsom's proposals, both for a tax rebate and a pause to the annual increase to the state's gas tax. The total amount of the rebate that Californians could receive would also have to be negotiated by Newsom and other lawmakers, based in part on estimates of what the state surplus will be this year, which are likely to be revised. Also, in the state of South Carolina, a group of state lawmakers want to split up $1 billion and send it back directly to taxpayers. This is part of a tax cut plan moving through the South Carolina Senate, which would also cut the state's top tax rate from 7% down to 5.7%. Under the current version of the proposal, every person who files income taxes in South Carolina would receive a rebate, including the more than 40% of tax filers who do not pay a penny in the state income taxes. The bill will be considered by the Senate Finance Committee during its meeting next week, and members could change it in the process of advancing the legislation in the Senate floor for debate. People who pay $100 or less in state income taxes, for those who pay between $101 and $700, you would receive a rebate similar to what you pay in income tax in a year. The rebates would be capped at $700, so anyone who pays more than that amount would still receive $700 back. According to CNBC News, as daily life gets more expensive, employees are having a harder time making ends meet. While wage growth is high by historical standards, it is not keeping up with the increased cost of living, which is growing at the fastest annual pace in about 4 decades. When wages rise at a slower pace than inflation, those paychecks won't go far at the grocery store or at the gas pump. These are 2 areas of the budget that are getting hit very hard. At the start of this year, 64% of the U.S. population was living paycheck to paycheck. That is up from 61% in December of 2021, just shy of the high 65% in 2020. So even among those earning 6 figures, 48% said they are now living paycheck to paycheck. That is up from 42% in December of 2021. According to a new report from many economists, millions of Americans now say they need to be making roughly $122,000 a year. That is more than double the current national average salary to feel financially secure. So my friends, please let me know in the comment section below how inflation is affecting your life. Well, my good friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The 3 winners of this week's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway are Linda Davenport, James Bell, and Katrina Britty. Congratulations, friends! Remember, friends, if you would like to enter the giveaway, which is scheduled for every Friday, all you have to do is click and like my videos. Comment below each keyword from each video of mine that you watch. And please do verify that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends.
They tried to cut last year. Meanwhile, the president's speech tried to skate by the serious kitchen table concerns that are actually keeping families up at night. The president talked about Made in America, but keeps fighting against energy independence. Democrats want us to buy American, but not American oil and gas. On President Biden's watch, we've set a new record for importing Russian oil, and we're begging OPEC to produce even more. And his energy vision is to dump huge subsidies into supply chains that are dominated by China, borrowing from our grandkids to build back Beijing. The president